An auctioneer charges 8% for selling a house. If the house is sold for this much amount, find the charges of the auctioneer. How should I do it?
So 8 upon 100 into 2,30,500.
So what is the answer that you have got?
18,440.
18,000?
440.
Satya, is this the answer that you have got?
Yes, sir.
Satya, have you understood the question?
Yes.
So auctioneer is a kind of agent. So what he will do is he will help you sell your house. And because he is helping you sell your house, he will charge you something. So this is the rate at which he charges you. So for example, say you want to, Mr. Satya, let us say that you have gone to Delhi and you are trying to rent a place. Have you understood?
Yes.
Now you don't know anybody in Delhi. You don't know anybody. So you'll go and meet a property dealer. You know what is a property dealer? Satya, Sarthak.
Yes.
Sarthak, do you know?
Yes, sir.
So what they do is, so for example, if somebody comes to Bhakti Park from Delhi, now this person from Delhi won't know much about Bhakti Park. So he'll go to one of the property dealers and ask him that I want to rent a flat. Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So this property dealer is like an auctioneer and an auctioneer is like an agent. So what they do is, because this property dealer has a lot of contacts, so what he'll do is he'll show Satya a lot of. So for example, if Satya goes to Delhi, now let us assume that he's gone to location X. He'll go and meet one of the property dealers who, because he's a local person, will show him some flat which he can rent. Satya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Now these charges, it is also called commission. So in a lot of word problems, you will find this word commission. Can you note this word down? Commission. So this commission
Yes.
is basically the service charges. Service charges. This is what the person who is giving you a service charges you. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
So in percentage word problems, many times you will find this word commission. So a commission usually is percent of something. Percent of something. So for example, the property dealer may say that I want a percent of the rent, of the monthly rent. That can be his charges. Okay. Question 7. Sarthak, how should I do question number 7?
So in question number 7, it will be 50 upon 800 into 100. So 50 upon 8% equals 6.25%.
Out of 850 are rotten. Find the percentage of good answers. Would this be the answer, Mr. Sarthak?
What, sir?
Would this be the answer, 50 upon 800 into 100?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Satya?
Yes, sir.
Arey bhaiya, 50 are rotten. These are rotten. So the answer you will get here would be percent rotten.
So it will be 750 upon 100, 800.
Yes, sir. In the question, they are asking you percentage of good oranges. If you use this, you will get percent rotten. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
And that is why Sarthak is saying that it should be 800 minus 50. So 750 are the good oranges. Any doubt?
No,
So if you use this, then you will get percent good. Any doubt?
no, sir.
And if you calculate, so this would be, let us say I am calculating in terms of percent fractions. So is there any, there's a mistake that I've done. Yeah. So this 0, this 0, this 0 and this 0. It should be 750 upon 8. And then you can calculate this would be 8 9 the 72, 3, 8 3 the 24, 6 upon 8. This would be 93.75%. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Now, another way of doing this is, so for example, Sarthak, what is the answer that you have got?
So I calculated for rotten by mistake. So
Yeah, it was how much?
6.25.
Now, if the percent rotten is 6.25, the percent good would be 100 minus 6.25 is equal to 93.75%. Satya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Sarthak, have you understood the logic? Sarthak, have you understood the logic?
Yes, sir.
See, what I'm saying is that if the percent rotten that you have got is 6.25%, the percent good would be 100 minus 6.25%. This answer would be the same. Satya, how do I do question number 8?
So we have to do 6 upon 100 into, no, sorry, 6 upon 100 into 5,000. So we can cut 2 zeros. So my answer was 300.
What is 300? This is the water which has leaked. Mr.
Yes.
Satya, what are they asking? Satya, what is your answer?
Sir, I got 300. No, sorry, sir. I didn't tell the full question. We have to
Sarthak,
do 5,000 minus 300. So my answer is 4,700 liters.
Sarthak, what was your answer?
So 4,700.
Great. You need to read the question properly. Okay. Satya, question 9.
Sir, I was not able to do that.
Okay.
No, sorry, I did it right now. I did it.
Okay. How should I do?
87 upon 100 into 325. So I got my answer as 282.7. So I added 325 to it. So my final answer was 607.7.
If he spends 87%, then he would be saving 100 minus 87%. Any doubt?
No,
Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Satya, any doubt?
no, sir.
So this is his saving. %. of total salary would be equal to Satya?
So I didn't understand.
Sarthak?
What was cracked?
13% of total salary would be how much?
So 325 rupees.
Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
So let me assume that the total salary is, Mr. Sarthak,
X.
X. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Satya, you need to repeat all these questions.
Okay, sir.
Sarthak, X would be?
Um, 325 into 100 upon 13.
And Satya, what is X? Satya, what is X?
What, sir?
Sarthak, what is X?
So 2,500 rupees.
Arey sir, X is the total salary. The total salary is 2,500. Satya, have you understood the question? Satya, have you understood the question?
Yes, sir.
See, let us understand this. A man spends 87% of his salary. 87% spend कर दिया. If he saves 325, तो save कितना किया? अगर spend 87% किया, तो save he would have done 13%. Any doubt about this?
No, sir.
Now we want to find his salary. अभी जो saving है 325, जो saving है 325, वो 13% है किसकी? Total salary की. And that is why we have written 325. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
देखिए, he has spent 87%. Therefore, he would have saved 13%. Now his saving, which is 13%, is 13% of the total salary is his actual saving. We assumed the total salary to be X, and then we calculated for X. X came to be 2,500. Any doubts still?
No, sir.
Solve the question 13.
So minus 15 of 8,000 rupees.
Can you
Yes.
Can you tell us how to solve this question? Question
Yes.
13.
15 upon 100 into 8,000. My answer was 1,200. So I subtracted.
Arey Dada, what is this question saying? What are they trying to say? What is this question all about? Can you explain the question?
So like they are asking the cost of the scooter is 8,000. So it decreases every year by 15%.
Okay.
So the current year its cost is 8,000. So later it will decrease by 15% again. So they're asking after 1 year. That
Yes, Satya.
yeah, sir. So the question is telling Like the cost of the scooter decreases by 15% every year. So the present cost is 8,000. So we have to do 8,000 minus 15%.
So this is the present cost.
Yeah.
And the cost of the scooter depreciates. Satya, what is the meaning of depreciation?
Decrease.
Decrease. Sarthak, have you understood depreciation?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, what is your favorite car?
So the Lamborghini.
How much does it cost?
So I don't.
Satya, how much does a Lamborghini cost?
Around 13 crores.
1 crore? Yeah, 30
Yes,
crore.
1 3.
Let us assume it costs 1 3 crores. Sarthak, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you have bought this Lamborghini. Now after 1 year, you want to sell it. Satya, how much will you pay for this Lamborghini after 1 year?
9 crores.
9 crores. Why would you buy 13 crores? Why would you pay 13
Because
crores?
it's already used. So, and it was bought 1 year back.
Okay. Now let us assume, Satya, let us assume that this Lamborghini was owned by Sachin Tendulkar. Is it okay?
Yes.
Now how much are you ready to pay for this 13 crores?
9 crores only, because it doesn't matter whoever uses it.
It doesn't matter.
Yes, sir.
When you go and tell your friends that ये Lambo Sachin की है,
But then how will they believe me? They haven't even seen that number plate.
yeah, let us assume he allows you to use the same number plate. And let us assume like in American movies they write, na? So there is Sachin T written at the back of the car, at number plate. Now how much are you willing to pay?
15 crores.
15 crores. Sarthak, how much will you pay for this?
So 14 crores.
14 crores. Somebody may pay 20 crores for it. Are you understanding what I'm saying?
Yes.
Yes.
You are absolutely right. Most of the things will depreciate. Have you understood what is depreciation?
Yes, sir.
Most of the things will depreciate. But there are few things which appreciate also. Have you understood? Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Most of the things will depreciate. With age, they will depreciate. But there are very few things which actually appreciate when they are old. Satya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So, say for example, somebody says that this sword is of Shivaji. Satya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So people will pay crores for it. Have you understood?
Yeah.
But then Sarthak will say, "Arey, ये तो पुरानी sword है." Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Why should we pay so much for it? But then there are few things which actually appreciate with age. So there are two things which can happen. Few things appreciate, and few things depreciate with age, with time. Satya, any doubt? So this is the scooter. Present value of the scooter is 8,000 rupees. Sarthak, how much does it depreciate every year?
15%.
%15 of what?
So it's normal cost.
Profit is the value at the beginning of the year. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So in first year, how much will it depreciate? It will depreciate by 15% of 8,000 rupees. Any doubt about this? Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
So Sarthak, what will be the depreciation?
So 15 into 80.
Is the answer. So this is the amount that it will depreciate during that whole year. So end of the year, what will be the cost of the scooter, Satya?
Sir, it will be 6,800.
6,800. Sarthak, any doubt? Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Now this 6,800 is the cost at the beginning of the second year. Have you understood? Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So in the second year, the depreciation would be, Satya?
Sir, it will be 5,600.
During the second year, the depreciation would be 15% of 6,800. Any doubt? Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
So second year, this would be the depreciation. Now, what will be the cost after 2 years? Satya? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Satya, is your answer correct? Satya, is your answer correct?
Yes, sir.
What is the answer that you have got?
4,780.
Sarthak, what is your answer?
So I got it wrong because I did minus 15%. So I got minus 4,780.
Hey, this is 5. Your answer should be 5,780. Have you guys understood?
Okay, sir. So I also got wrong.
Mr. Sarthak,
Yes, sir.
any doubt?
No, sir.
See, again, I'll suggest that you need to do these questions again. Both of you.
Okay.
Because actually, these are a bit difficult questions. That is why. So I'll try to upload this in the evening. But you need to do these questions again. Okay. Question 16. Sarthak, how should I do it?
It will be 80% of 150 questions.
So what would be John's?
80 upon 100 into 150. So 0, 0 can be cut.
What would be the answer? Sucha, what is the answer?
120. So 1 second, for John or Mohan.
For
So
John.
for John it will be 120 and for Mohan it will be 96.
So John's score is 120. Mohan is 96. Now what is the second part, Satya?
So second part will be 96 upon 120 into 100.
Mohan's correct is 96. John's correct is 120 into 100. Sarthak, any doubt? Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
The answer is 80%.
Please try to do these questions again.